This is the homework 3, question 1, and in question 1 there are 5 problems. First one is to find b so that probability of x equals k represents a probability mass function, which means you have to add the probability b times k times p to the k minus 1 from k equals 1 to infinite. They have to be 1. So we put all the other parts except b to the right side, and we use we set the sum to the s. So we times p on the left and right part, and we minus and use this to minus the second part. So we get the answer s equals to 1 over 1 minus p to the 2. So finally the answer is b equals to 1 minus p equals to the 2. Yeah. The second question is to find the ex. So we use the formula. We can get this part, but we only know that when k times p to the k minus 1, the sum of it is this one, but we cannot get this part, so we just differentiate both sides so we can get the answer. So we get the ex equals to the 1 plus p over 1 minus p. The third problem is to find the ex to the 2. I think that's the same method when we're figuring the second question out. So we know that the k squared times p to the k minus 1, the sum of it is this one. So we just need to differentiate both sides so we can get this one. And the answer is we don't only differentiate, we have to times p in both sides and differentiate both sides so we can get the answer. It's this one. The fourth problem is find ex squared minus ex, the square of ex. So we just use the answer we get from the second and third question. We minus, and we get this part. The fifth problem is at p equals 1 over 3, find a conditional probability mass function p when x equals to 2 to 5. The probability of x equals to k. So we use the formula. And it equals to the probability of x equals to k, and the probability of x equals to 2 to 5 divided by p when the probability of x equals to 2 to 5. So the possibility is this part and this part. So we can get the final answer. It is 0.8267 k times 1 over 3 to the k minus 1. K equals to 2, 3, 4, 5.